All right, so how do we get this done then?
Okay, so you got 4 latch pins. There's going to
Right.
be 2 on one side and 2 on the other.
Right,
And your hold down stabilizers, there's going to be 4 of them.
right.
You loosen them 4 up, you take them off. Then on the S-tube, there's 4 bolts that hold this S-tube on, that hold it to the back of this hopper.
So those 4 bolts. So just the top ones, that's it. Just the one, the portion that goes on number, close to number 8.
Correct. And then you're going to have to take off 2 hydraulic lines for your agitator motor here, and hold, pin them up higher than the hydraulic tank so they don't leak, and then she'll come right off.
That's it. Okay. When they put it in the back together, you normally add this red
Yes. Now
silicone.
2 is a rubber gasket, and it beads inside this hopper. There's actually a channel that round cord goes into.
Okay.
So then I put silicone on top of that and then marry the 2 together.
Beautiful. Thank you.
So this would be in an area if you're going to take and you're going to chip out material cylinders. So then you're going to tie 36 together. That means you're going to put a union in and tie them 2 lines together. So when you do start the unit up, you don't lose any hydraulic fluid from the agitator lines.
Okay.
So then we're going to go down to page 36. Well, so you're going to have one cylinder open. So when you take this hopper off, one cylinder is going to be open. The other one is going to have where 17 is. The S-tube is going to be hooked to this nun plate here. So you're going to chip out one of the cylinders.
Correct.
When you chip out that cylinder, you need to move over to the next cylinder. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to fire the machine up, and then you're going to go to the stack valve. This is on top of the machine. So you're going to put it on top of the machine. You're going to see an inspection hatch. You're going to twist it open, and the latch is going to come open, and then you're going to see a manifold here. So when you fire the machine up, you're going to use the first one that's on the driver's side. This is if you're sitting in the truck on the driver's side. You're going to push this in on either end, and that's going to move the S-tube or the nun plate all the way over to the other cylinder. And that'll allow you access to chip the other cylinder out.
That's it. Thank you, sir.